Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let's make crispy fried shrimps. Please stick around and watch this video. So I've already washed and deveined my shrimp and I leave the tails on. You don't have to if you don't want to. So now it's time we're going to season the shrimps. And this is 20 shrimp in this bowl. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. There's 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to use half teaspoon of garlic salt. I'm going to use half teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning. And I'm going to use half teaspoon of Dijon mustard. 2 eggs, and I'm going to whisk this up. Now we're going to mix this all together. In this bowl I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into the flour. I'm also going to add half teaspoon of black pepper. Then we're going to give this a nice mix to combine everything together. In my pot I'm going to add generous amount of oil to fry the shrimp. And I'm going to turn the heat on medium high and let this heat up. While the oil is heating, I'm just going to go ahead and coat the shrimps into the flour. And we're going to cover a container, or you could just use this into a bag, a Ziploc bag. I'm just going to give this a nice shake to give it a beautiful coating evenly. Alright? Nice. We're just going to put this on our plate and we're going to coat everything until all the shrimp is coated. And you want to shake off the excess flour. These are Jumbo Colossal shrimp, so I'm going to just repeat the process until all the shrimp is coated. These are nicely coated. Now it's time to fry them in a preheated oil, 350. I want to fry this for at least 6 minutes. They're done. They're looking nice and brown. Now it's time to take these out. Look at them. Ooh. Nice and crispy. Look at this nice flake. Now we're just going to repeat the process until all the shrimps are fried. And here you have it, guys, my crispy fried shrimp. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and also leave me a comment down below And now we're gonna do the taste test. I'm gonna welcome Moya. Say hey guys, Moya.
Hi guys.
So now you're gonna take one and you're gonna eat it. How is it? Oh, good.
I like it.
Amazing, good. Say thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Bye guys.